Hi guys, so today I'm back with another luxury handbag unboxing video. The last time I did one of these, it was around June or July, and I had bought a new Louis Vuitton handbag to celebrate not my birthday like I told you guys, but I really bought the bag because I had paid off my car loan to Mercedes-Benz a year ahead of time, like a year early. And so I bought that as a treat to myself for being financially responsible. I've just bought another handbag, and you might think, oh, she bought a Christmas gift to herself. But actually, I'm rewarding myself again for being financially responsible and paying off not just that car loan, but if I add that loan to other debts I've had, I have paid off almost $20,000 in debt this year, and I definitely plan on being debt-free in the new year. So let me show you what I bought from Louis Vuitton to treat myself. So I love this holiday ribbon that they put on these. The other Louis Vuitton purchases that I made this year did not come with that. It's just for holiday. So I really liked it. I will say that I have been wanting this bag for over a year. It's actually the first Louis Vuitton handbag that I actually wanted. If you guys know, I bought my first Louis Vuitton this year. But this is what I really wanted. And my first handbag was a favorite. Let me know if you want a video over what I think about it almost a year later or 9 months later. But when I bought the favorite, I really wanted this one. I've just kept my eye on it. And so I have the favorite in damier ebene. I have the Clooney MM in monogram. And so I thought it was time, and I was rewarding myself. This is a treat to get a damier azur handbag, and I got the corset, and this is what she looks like. The corset is a crossbody top handle bag, which is definitely what I wanted. It is smaller than the favorite. It fits smaller items. I know this. It has the rose ballerine pink, light pink inside. This is a high maintenance bag because it comes with lots of vachetta. It is damier azur, which if you wear dark jeans a lot, there could be some transfer on the back, and it has the vachetta handle. So what I went ahead and did is bought a twilly, a little scarf that matches the bag, and I bought it at the same time that I got the bag, had them wrap it in store, and I believe that it matches perfectly. I did this with my Clooney as well, and it really does make the bag stand out and special to me, and I probably will never take that scarf off because I don't want the vachetta messing up. This is the strap that comes with it, and now I will do a few modeling shots to show you how it looks on me. So this is what the bag looks like on me. I am almost 5'5", I would say, and I'm not wearing any shoes. So this is my true height. I am not a small woman, though this is a small bag. I generally wear like a size 8 to 10 in women's clothing, and so this is what the bag looks like on me. My favorite color is gray, so I feel that I will get lots of use out of this bag year round. And again, I'm very particular and take good care of my bags, so it's not like I'm gonna throw this bag on with just anything. So this is what it looks like crossbody. I think it hits me in the perfect spot. And I can show you with the strap. This is what it looks like. It is so cute. After having the favorite, I really appreciate crossbody bags with handles. It just gives you more options in how to handle the bag and how to carry it, and I really do appreciate that. So this is what the bag looks like. There's no pocket on the back, clasp closure, and I really like it. Really, really like this bag. So let me know if you'd like to know what fits inside, do a comparison with my favorite or anything else. But yeah, you guys, this is my treat to myself for being a girl boss this year and paying off about $20,000 in debt out of my regular salary. So if you like videos on how I go about budgeting and planning my financial goals every year, just let me know. I'd love to share them with you, but I don't want to seem overbearing with financial information. So until next time, you be blessed, Girl Boss Beauties. And remember, treat yourself like you love yourself, because no one is going to ever treat you better than you.